students, today I have defined you the unit step function. Yes, unit step function. Yes, unit step function. Now, the unit step function u t minus a is defined as 0 for t is less than 0 and 1 for t is greater than a. Yes. Now we want to find the Laplace transform of this unit step function. Yes. Therefore, taking the Laplace, that is Laplace of u t minus a is equal to 0 to infinity e to the power minus st u t minus a dt. Yes. Now, for this, as the unit step is given for t is less than 0, this is the value of this is 0, and for t is greater than a, the value is 1. So we break this integral in the form 0 to a e to the power minus st u t minus a dt plus a to infinity u e to the power minus st u t minus a dt. Yes. Now substituting the values for this is equal to 0 to a e to the power minus st, and this value is given as 0, and again this value from a to infinity e to the power minus st. Yes, this value is given as 1 dt. Yes, here is also you can write as dt. Okay. So this value is 0 and this value is equal to, so you get the value of integral only, this one, that is 0. Here is from a to infinity, yes, e to the power minus st, yes, e to the power minus st dt. Yes, integrating this integral, you get e to the power minus st divided by minus s, and now taking the limit from a to infinity, yes, you get this is equal to e to the power minus as divided by s. Yes, this is the Laplace, this is the value of the Laplace transform of the unit step function. Yes, okay. Okay, next I have defined you the Bessel function. That is the Laplace transform of Bessel function. First we define the Bessel function. Yes, Bessel function. Yes, okay. Actually, all of the properties of the Bessel function you will study in the paper differential equations. Okay. The Bessel function of order n is denoted as Jn, yes, which is defined as t to the power n divided by 2 to the power n gamma n plus 1 minus t square by 2 and 2n plus 2 plus t to the power 4 divided by 2 into 4 into 2n plus 2 and 2n plus 4. Now so on. Yes. Now you will want to find the zeroth order of Bessel function. Yes. So for the zeroth order of Bessel function, yes, we are substituting n to the 0 in this Bessel function. Yes. So this can be written as J0 of t. Yes. This can be also you can write as t. This is equal to 1 minus t square by 2 square, yes, plus t to the power 4 divided by 2 to the square and also 4 square, now so on. Now we are applying the Laplace on both sides, that is Laplace of J0t. This can be written as this Laplace of 1 minus t square by 2 square plus t to the power 4 by 2 square, 4 square and so on. Yes, and also you know the value of the Laplace of 1, you know, which is 1 by s. You are applying the formula as Laplace of t to the power n. Yes, so this can be written as 1 by s, yes, now minus 1 by 2 square and Laplace of t square, this is equal to factorial 2 and divided by s cube, yes, plus 1 by 2 square, 4 square and factorial 4 is divided by s this to the power 5, and now so this is the result for the Laplace transform of the Bessel function. If you solve this series, then this can be done as 1 by under root of 1 plus s square. Yes, this is the value of the Laplace transform of the Bessel function, 0th order. Yes, thank you. In next video, I will define the some other properties of the Bessel function. Yes, thank you.